I made a video on my old channel about how to write an Instagram bio in 2018. Instagram has changed a lot in 2 years, and so are the ways to handle and manage it. Remember when we used to write some weird catchy phrases as our Instagram bio lines? But if you are a professional, a creator, or a business owner, your Instagram bio is the first place to catch attention of users, which can help you gain followers, new clients, and also make you discoverable on the app. So stay tuned till the end as we are going to unravel strategies to optimize your Instagram bio. And if you are a social media manager, don't miss out on watching the entire video because you can even sell this as a service to your clients. What's up my social tribe? If you're new here, I'm Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie, helping you create your financial freedom through social media. This channel is all about sharing my decade-long journey from being a freelancer to the social boss. So, in this video, we will cover some basics about how to write Instagram bio and how to optimize the Instagram bio. Firstly, as a business page or a professional, your Instagram bio should have relevant profile picture that best defines who you are. If you are a brand, without a doubt, use your company logo. But if you are a person, then choose a picture that best defines your personal brand. Preferably an image that's a headshot and not the full body photo, because the size of a profile image is really small and it's not visible on small devices. The headshot makes sure that your face is clearly seen and your audience can easily identify you. Wear clothes of your personal brand colors, or you can just simply edit any of your photos by adding your brand colors in the background. This personalization in profile pictures might seem unnecessary to you, but trust me, it adds a great amount of value to your personal brand. It's the same psychology as remembering logos of different brands with their colors and shapes. While choosing a profile image, there are a few technical pieces you should know and follow. When sizing your image for Instagram, make sure it fits within 110 into 110 pixels square. As you are editing it, though, you remember that Instagram will actually crop your photo into a circle. So make sure everything important is inside of that circle. When you go into Instagram to upload it, you'll see a preview of what will be seen inside the circle. So whether you are using a photo of you or a logo, make sure that the subject fills the circular frame as much as possible without losing too much in the crop. You may need to use a different version of your logo in order to fit it within the necessary parameters and still be legible and easy to see. Next comes your Instagram name and handle name. Your name on Instagram is actually very important. The words that are listed in the name section are searchable within the Instagram. You want to add something relevant to your business and what your audience might be searching for on the platform. As you can see in my name, I have added SMM educator and creator after my name. As my business is more of a personal brand as opposed to a large company, adding that clarification of what I do or who I am helps me get discovered by my target audience. People who don't know me by my name can actually land on my profile with the help of this extra copy on my name section. The second place where your name reflects is known as Instagram handle, which starts with the @ sign. You can set up a handle name while creating a new Instagram account. Usually this space should have your company name or a person's name. It is advisable to use a professional name as it is for a business and not a personal account. The third thing inside Instagram bio is setting up a category. Categorizing your Instagram account can also help new potential followers find you. It can help people understand who you are and how you fit into the Instagram ecosystem. There are various different categories you can choose from, to artist, to convenience store, to public figure, to digital creator, etc. To choose your category, go to your profile and then click on Edit Profile. Underneath Public Business Information, you should see an option that says Category. Click that and then use the search bar to search for key terms related to your industry. Before you choose the first one that remotely fits your brand, think about how your ideal followers might be searching for you on Instagram and how they would categorize you. You may think you are an educator, but if that's your target audience, see you as a health coach, that's what they'll be using to try to find you. So use health coach as your category. The fourth way to optimize your Instagram bio is website or URL. Instagram is a great social media platform, but it does have some flaws. One of those is that within the platform, you are only allowed one live link. Because of this, in any posts you want to promote, you have to say link in bio to direct them back to your profile so they are able to actually click the link and get to the page you are promoting. It also means that you have to choose only one link to have to be listed on Instagram. This can become a problem if in your posts you are promoting your most recent blog and a free giveaway and a podcast episode and your latest feature in Forbes, and the list goes on endlessly. All of those resources are excellent, but you don't want to be stuck updating your link every time you upload a new post. Beyond that, think about the people who find your post 2 or 3 days after it's published. If you're already changed the link in bio, they might not go to the trouble of trying to find it themselves. They could give up on the finding the content, or worse, even unfollow you. And that's why many companies will use a link in bio tool. By using apps like Linktree, LinkedIn by Later, or Studio by GoDaddy, etc., you can use one URL to house multiple links. In fact, you can add unlimited links, but be careful if you add too many links. You don't want your visitors to get overwhelmed. These apps can help you customize the look of your landing page with your brand colors, adding logos, etc. This emphasizes on brand continuity for your followers once they click on your link. Let's say if you do not wish to use such tools, then the simplest way is to create a landing page on your own website that lists all the important links in that page. Now use that one landing page link as your Instagram bio link, and you can make your customers flow into your website. The fifth way to optimize Instagram bio is the actual bio space. Now this is the space which is one of the most important things in your whole Instagram profile. Before we talk about what to include in your bio space, there are 2 points to note. First, your Instagram bio is limited to 150 characters. Believe me, that's not enough, especially when you're trying to captivate potential followers and encourage them to click the follow button. And secondly, using emojis is a great way to maximize your characters. If there's a word you could easily replace with an emoji, that might be a good way to cut down on necessary characters. So now that you know the amount of space you have to use, let's discuss some of the possible things you could include within your bio. In each of these sections, try to keep yourself crisp. Also, it's not essential to include everything. Choose what is most important to highlight your brand or personality. So, the first thing to be included in your bio section is a description of what you do. Now, your name section has already described things like who you are and what's your expertise. It's time for your audience to briefly understand what you do. As briefly as you can, describe what your business does, who you help, and the results you can get for your customers. It's a tall order for 150 characters, but this is the one of the best ways to let your potential followers know whether or not they belong to your community. The second thing to be possibly included in your bio section is tagline. If your business has a catchy or a memorable tagline, that's a great way to put in your bio. Or if you have a well-known tagline, you can always add a slightly edited version of your tagline. You can see how the electronics brand Boat has just used their catchy tagline in their Instagram bio. The third is unique selling points. Even new brands that are just getting started on Instagram can list something unique in their bio. Any unique selling points like being the first or the only company to provide a certain product or service would be a great thing to highlight and catch attention. Just look at my bio, as I am flaunting my achievement of being the first in India to hold PhD in social media. Next is trust signals. If you have anything iconic, testimonials or recommendations or reasons someone should trust you, add them to your bio. Things like TED speaker or Forbes 30 under 30, etc. is always great to be highlighted in the bio. Next is social proof. Social proof can sometimes be tricky to add to your actual bio. You can slip it in by saying something like helping hundreds of women start their own business, or you can include a highlight that's full of client wins and testimonials that proves that your product and strategies work. Next in line is hashtag or branded hashtag. Consider adding a hashtag to your bio too. This can help with searchability, and if you choose to use a branded hashtag, your new visitors will begin to know what to associate with your brand. Big brands like Nike also uses social causes hashtags to show their support for the same. The other one is address or location. You can add your location directly into your Instagram bio, or if you want to add your actual address, you can do that through your business settings. This is a great idea if you are a local store or a business that needs people to actually visit you and know where your store is located. And the last thing to be included in your bio section is call to action. This is a must have in your bio. You need to tell people what action to take next. For most people, the action is going to be click this link. You can tell people what they'll be getting, offer a free giveaway, or add emojis to show what you want them to do. So now you know the recipe for creating a captivating and compelling Instagram bio. The goal of the bio is to turn visitors into followers and encourage them to click your link to visit your website or access your resources. By taking the time to optimize your Instagram bio, you'll be setting yourself and your brand up for success as you work to grow following. I hope this video was resourceful. Share it with your SMM friends or agency friends. Before you hop on to other videos, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, because this is your go-to free resource for becoming a pro SMM. Until next time, keep creating good vibes globally. Bye-bye.